owner of Self-Care Apparel. We're back with another video. Today's video, guys, we are going to be doing behind the scenes of inventory haul. So I have like a planner back at home where I drew out my content to where I got to do inventory haul. So I got to plan and film inventory for y'all. We're going to do that, and then I figure out what's next week content's gonna be, because I'm pretty sure if I order my inventory this week, I'm gonna get it probably around next week or so. So yeah, stay tuned because I'll let y'all know when we get home. Hi you guys, this is Kiki, owner of Self-Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. I know earlier I was at work telling y'all I was gonna take y'all behind the scene of inventory. So it's now, I'm gonna show y'all. It's now 11:57 on a Tuesday. Okay. And I have my Amazon cart right here with all the shopping apps that I have. And we're gonna go here. So in my cart, I have shipping right now. So shipping is going on at this moment. Let me see if I have something on my other phone. I have a lot of gadgets, y'all. Don't mind me. I got rid of one of my gadgets. Yep. So shipping is done on one of them. As you could tell, I have this one for $14, and this one is gonna be $63.98. I think on my phone I have the same thing. Don't quote me on that. I think we do. But so the way I'm breaking this down is, I didn't write my breakdown plan. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, excuse me. So the breakout plan, we gonna we're gonna do an example breakout plan, okay? Move my iPad. Don't mind my desk, y'all. I'll be writing on this paper. So the breakout plan is first inventory is shipping. All shipping, okay? Second, I can't write. Second inventory is shipping. Now, depending on what second inventory is for July, we're going to say this for July. First and second, for that, on the other one, I might include like poly mailers or tape or whatever. So that is going to be done tomorrow. I will make, should I carry on this? I'm going to carry on. It's going to be a part 2. So, first go round is already going to be done. That's going to be my 2 shipping boxes, because they're both, one is small and one is medium. And I think this is on this other one, it's a small. Yeah, it's a small. So, I have 2 smalls, 1 medium. Okay. So, small, medium for this one. And these are boxes. This is going to be a small. Wherever else I decide to put on here. Boxes. The way I'm planning out this inventory from July, August, September, I want to make sure my shop is well stocked up to the point where I don't need nothing. far as body butter containers, I'm going to look for those. Those are eventually going to be last. My containers for making products are going to be last. And that has to be done. That has to be done with August to September, I want to say. I want to say that. So shipping, I need this to be done with shipping from 1st to 2nd to 3rd, which is half of August. I don't know. It depends on how well I do shipping. So shipping actually going to happen this week, and then next week. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous, you guys, because I never did a whole big old shipping. I mean, I said big old shipping. Big old inventory haul. Okay. So boom. August 1st inventory should be oils. Oils to what? Oils to flavoring oil. Flavoring oil. And in second inventory, this is example by the way, should be my base. So like lotion, soap, body butter, right? Second inventory. Break down each. So this is an example game plan, okay? This example game plan on how inventory is going to happen. When y'all are having a business, y'all should always have like a notebook where y'all keep up like what you need to order for inventory. So tomorrow we're gonna clean out my organizer shelf, so we can prepare for new inventory. Shirts are not included until October. I want to do shirts. That's gonna be the last thing. But yeah, I'm not closing this out because I'm continuing to the next video, y'all. But no, I am gonna close this out because I'm gonna just do a part 2 on another video. So this is the end, y'all. It's not the end of behind the scenes, but this is the first half. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see part 2, and I hope to see y'all in part 2. Bye.